Hi, my name is Roy Bennett, and I am a recently retired attorney from Legal Advocates for Children and Youth. And the reason I'm here tonight and have been involved with Pat and Carolyn for more years than I can remember is that Pat and Carolyn were part of the formation of the Educational Rights Project in Santa Clara County, which is a collaboration between Morrissey-Compton, Legal Advocates for Children and Youth, and Social Services and Juvenile Probation. So Morrissey-Compton provides the educational expertise, Legal Advocates for Children and Youth provide the legal advocacy, and Social Services and Juvenile Probation provide the clients. So it's a rather unique, in fact, it is a unique program as far as I know. I can remember participating in groups in San Mateo County, and they said, well, why can't we have that? And it's funded in Santa Clara County through the Santa Clara County Board of Supervisors. But I'm told that your donations and the donations of all the supporters of Morrissey-Compton help pay for the Morrissey-Compton staff who are involved in that. Morrissey-Compton staff and Pat and Carolyn originally provided invaluable educational expertise. I had been doing special education advocacy for, I think, about 3 years before Lacey, my organization, got involved in the contract. And I started to learn about what special education really is when I met Pat and Carolyn. Before that, I read evaluations, I went to IEP meetings, I listened to school district officials speaking foreign languages as far as I was concerned, and basically I stumbled my way through the process. When Lacey got involved with the Educational Rights Project and we met with Pat and Carolyn on a regular basis, I got some real knowledge about it. I learned from my friends from Social Services and Probation who are here tonight that now the Educational Rights Project refers about 500 students every school year to the project, 500 students. Now, we don't provide direct advocacy for all of them. They don't all get IEPs, but they get eyes on what's happening to them in school. So think about the number of students who get help from Morrissey-Compton through the normal processes, and then think about 500 per school year. You all probably know that about 11% of all students nationally qualify for special education. Kids in the juvenile justice system and social welfare, 40 to 60% qualify for special ed. It's unbelievable. So Pat and Carolyn initially, Morrissey-Compton now, through the staff who participate in it, touch 500 lives a school year, help ensure that those students who are the most needy get the services they need or get assessed and evaluated to determine whether or not they need services. So that's pretty much what I have to say. When I came up here, when I was told about an hour ago that they needed a pinch hitter to talk, I was thinking, well, I'm not a parent of a special needs student or a student that got services from Morrissey-Compton, and I'm not a grandparent. But what I had forgotten and what I remembered while I was sitting there thinking about what I was going to say, that I am the great uncle of a niece who was very recently evaluated by Morrissey-Compton. And I want to thank the staff of Morrissey-Compton for doing what I know was a wonderful evaluation. Fortunately, she doesn't need services, but we got a lot of good information that is going to help her, I hope, succeed in high school. So thank you all. Thank you, Pat and Carolyn, for everything that you've meant to the project.